Mog.
Good night, Meg.
Good night, Owl.
Good night, Meg.
Oh!
My goodness. Oh,
Sorry, I couldn't help it. Oh, sorry. That was definitely my last sneeze. Oh, no, that was it. No, that was it. Apart from that one.
Oh dear. We're never going to get to sleep with you sneezing like that. I think he must have a cold.
we'd better be careful, or we might catch it too. I'm sorry, Mog, it's just I don't want to catch your...
Too late. I think we need to get you both to the vet.
Next. Open wide. Now say, ah. Yes. He's definitely got a cold.
And Owl?
The same. The best thing is to wrap up, keep warm, and wait until it passes. It shouldn't be long before it goes.
Oh dear.
I'm sorry, but everyone seems to have caught this cold. You see?
Morning, Bess.
Morning, Meg.
Morning, Jess.
Morning, Meg.
Oh, morning, Tess and Cress. Oh dear. I think I must be the only one in the world who hasn't caught this cold. Oh, maybe it's time for a spell. Three small mice and a smell of roses. Stop this sneezing in our noses!
It worked! Oh dear. The sneezing has gone, but what's wrong with our voices? I don't know! We've gone all squeaky like little mice! Oh dear! Spells are so tricky. How long before we get our normal voices back, Meg? Oh, not long. The spell will wear off in a couple of days. Well, I don't mind. It's better than sneezing. A cup of tea, Al? Al? Go on, Al. Say something.
Thank you very much.
Al's got a funny voice too.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What a lovely, peaceful summer's day.
Just perfect.
Squirrel, come here. Oh, get a squirrel.
Oh, Mog!
Nearly caught it. Now, who wants to race me to the tree and back? Go on, Al. Please.
Okay.
Ready, steady, go!
Excuse me, Mog. I think I was the winner.
No, you weren't.
I think you'll find it was me.
Meg, who won?
I'm not sure.
But I won!
No, Mog, that's not fair. I did.
Right, that's it. I'm not talking to you anymore because I won the race.
The bad loser.
Good night, Mog.
Good night, Meg.
Good night, Owl.
Good night, Meg.
Aren't you two going to say good night? Oh, maybe in the morning you'll both have stopped being so silly.
Would you ask Owl to pass the cereal?
Owl, would you pass the cereal?
Can you tell Mog that there is the cereal?
Mog, there is the cereal. It's from Owl.
Can you tell Owl that that's not the cereal I meant?
Owl, that's not the cereal Mog meant.
Can you tell Mog that if that's not the cereal he meant, then which cereal did he mean? Because I can't see any other cereal apart from the cereal I just passed to him.
Mog, if that's not the cereal... Oh! This is ridiculous! You two are going to be friends again. Mog, say sorry.
He should say sorry first.
Well, Owl then.
I definitely won the race.
But I won the race!
Right, it's time someone sorted this out. Something big, something now, something mighty to stop this row! Oops, not quite what I had in mind.
Charge!
Look out!
Run!
Look out, Mog! He's catching you!
Ow!
Mog needs help! Look!
Charge!
Well done, Owl.
Thanks, Owl.
Oh, it was nothing.
Friends again?
Friends. Ow. 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 There is just one thing we haven't decided. Who did win our running race?
Oh, it was you, Mog.
No, you won.
No, really, it was you.
It wasn't. It was you.
But I really think it was you.
No. You definitely won.
No, it was you.
I didn't.
Oh, no!
On the race.
No. You won the race.
Mog,